Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. We have topic 15, lesson 10. Still talking about shapes. We learn plane shapes and we learn about solid figures. We know that the plane shapes are flat and the solid figure takes up place or space. We also learned that we can build pictures using the plane shapes and the solid figures. We covered this before. We also learned how to say how these shapes or how they're different. So we learn about the attributes or properties or features for the plane shapes, and the same for solid figures when they say if they can roll or how many flat surface or how many vertices. And we also said the same for the plane shapes if they have straight sides or they have corners or vertices. Today we're gonna use something called use reasoning, like something will make sense, something that it's true. So for example, we will be identifying shapes with attributes or features or property that is always true. It's certain, it has to be there, and that's not always has to be there. For example, if I use my sphere here and I say all spheres has to be yellow, that's not true. Can I say all spheres should be small or big? No. But can I say all sphere, for example, should roll? Yes. So that's why we look for the features that it's true, or it has to be, it must be in this solid figures. All right. So we are in lesson 10. Use reasoning. All circles. We have a picture with lots of items here. So we have a clock. We have a box, we have glue sticks, we have can of beans, we have pyramid, we have bottom, we have soup, can of soup, and then we have a plate, and we have all these items, and we're gonna see what we have here. So we're gonna see if this makes sense, it is reading, that's right, or no, it's not true, it doesn't have to. So let's say all circles are white. No. All circles have 0 vertices. So all circles are 0 vertices. Yeah, they're not all white because I see the bottom is circled, but it's green. So I cannot say they all white. But are they all have no vertices, no corners? Yes. So I'm gonna circle that choice. All right, let's see. All circles have 0 straight sides. The plates, 0 straight sides, the button, 0 straight sides, the clock, 0 straight sides, yes. Can I say all circles are small? The clock is not small, paper plate is not small, the button is not small, so no, I can't say this. All right, let's go for number 2. We look for cylinders. So I'm looking for all the shapes or the item that looks like cylinders. All right, cylinders have 2 flat surfaces. Yes, they have 2 flat surfaces. I see that peas can and also the soup can. All cylinders are small. No, they're not small. All right, all cylinders have 1 flat surface on the top. So at the top only flat surface and nothing in the bottom? No, so I'm not gonna circle this. All cylinders have 0 vertices or 0 corners? Yes, I know that. I know the can have no corners, and I know the vegetable cans and the soup can have no corners, so yes. So you circling the attribute or the features or the properties that it makes sense, that it's true. All right, if I look also for the cylinder, this also cylinder, the glue sticks. So glue sticks also cylinder. It has also 2 flat surfaces, yes, and it has no vertices, so yes. So these are, we can also, let's circle them so we know that these are the shape. And then let's put that circle in a box so we know these are the circles that we talked about. So it will be easy for you to spot and look at each information and see if it's true or not. If it's true, we're gonna circle it. If it's not, just leave it. All right, let's turn the page and see what we have inside page 508. Read and understand. All of these these are triangles. Circle the words that are true of all triangles. So we're gonna read about how they describe the triangles. And if it's true, we're gonna circle it. Of course, this example is done for us, but we're just gonna read and follow it. So, all triangles have 3 sides. Yes, all triangles have 3 sides. All triangles are blue. Not all of them, because I have 2 red. All triangles have flat bottom, are big. No, one is, but the other 3 not. All triangles have 3 vertices, 3 corners. Yes, so I'm gonna look here and I see that true information that it goes with my picture, and I'm gonna circle it. So let's again. All triangles have 3 sides. Yes, we know all triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all triangles in my shape here on my picture have 3 sides. 3 sides. Yeah. So I'm gonna circle this one. Okay. All triangles are blue. No, they're not blue. All of them have big flat bottom. Nope. Have 3 vertices. All triangles, yes, because they have 3 sides and 3 sides and 3 vertices. So these are the 2 choices or 2 properties or features that it's true about this picture. All right, so now we can say the triangles all have 3 sides, the triangles all have 3 vertices, and we circle the correct words. So that's what we did. So select and circle the right choices. Okay, let's go for first exercise. Guided practice. All of these shapes are squares. Yes. Circle the words that are true of all the squares. So make sure that whenever they say it, it has to be true for all of them, not 2 or 3. It has to be all the pictures. So all squares are orange. Nope, not all of them. All squares have 4 sides. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, all squares have 4 sides. So I'm going to circle this part. All squares have a flat bottom. All squares have flat bottom. Yes, yes, yes. Nope. All squares have sides of equal length. All the squares, their sides have equal length. So 4 sides are equal length. Yes. When it's big, it was big. When it's small, small. When it's medium, medium. So yes, this is a true features or properties or attribute about the squares or details. All right, let's go about C number 2. We have shapes. So all of these shapes are cubes. Circle the words that are true of all cubes. So we have 4 cubes. We need to find the right information or true details about this picture. Okay, all cubes have 6 flat surfaces. I know that. All cubes have 6 flat surfaces. Yes, so that would be yes. All cubes are purple? No. All cubes have 8 vertices? Yes, I know. All cubes have 8 vertices or 8 corners. All cubes are small? No. Maybe too small and too big, so that's not the right or true information to circle it. All right, let's go for do you understand? Look at exercise 1. Does the color of a shape always tell you what shape it is? For example, if it's blue, that means it's a square. Or if it's green, that means it's square. Or because they're 2 orange, that means it's square. So does the color of the shape always tell you what shape it is? It's like when you see blue, okay, that's square. No. So that would be no. Now, we need to explain. We say no because 3 shapes in exercise 1 are square but are not blue. So we have 3 extra, we have 3 squares, they're not blue because we answering this question for exercise number 1. So that's why we need to use the picture that's number 1. So all the squares are green or all the squares are blue, and because they're all blue they have to be squares? No, they're all squares, but they come in different colors as well. So we're gonna say no, 3 shapes, they are squares. Oh, I put squares here. Squares, but they're not blue. So that was the answer for that question. Do you understand? For exercise 1. So we can say no, 3 shapes on exercise 1 are squares, but they are not blue. All right, let's go for page 509 and see independent practice question number 3. All of these shapes are cones. Yes. Circle the words that are true of all cones. So we're gonna read the information or details about the cones, and which one makes sense or right, we're gonna circle it. All right. All cones are big, 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 small, medium. No. All cones are blue, 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 green, yellow. No. All cones have one flat surface. Yes. So we're gonna circle this information because yes, all cones have one flat surface. All cones have a flat surface at the bottom. No, because look at this cone, the flat surface on the top, because they put the cone upside down. All right, all cones have one vertex, one vertex, one vertex, one vertex, like one corner. Yes, so that would be the right or the true information about all cones in this picture. All right, remember that flat shape? Trapezoids, yes. All of these shapes are trapezoids. Circle the words that are true of all the trapezoids. So all trapezoids are small. No, I see one small, but I see 3 are big, so this is not the right one. All trapezoids have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so all the trapezoids have 4 sides. Okay, all trapezoids have sides of different lengths. Yes. So that's, yes, that's true. All the trapezoids are red. No. All trapezoids have 4 vertices. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, all the trapezoids got 4 vertices. All right, let's turn the page and see what we have here. All right, page 510, question number 5. Use reasoning to solve. Circle the cubes. Cross out the clue that is not true of cubes. So what we're gonna do, circle the cubes. So these, okay, this is one cube and this is second cube. All right, this is a cone, this is a rectangular prism. All right, so this is the first part. And now cross out the clue that is not true of all cubes. So this is what we're gonna read, and 1 or 2 maybe of this clue that's not true. So this is, we're gonna cross it out. So let's read. All cubes have more than 5 flat surfaces. Yes, I know all cubes have actually 6 flat surfaces. So yes, I'm only crossing out the not true. All cubes are blue. No. So that's no, we're gonna cross it out. All of the cubes flat surface are the same size and same shape. All the flat surface for the cubes, same size, same shape. Same size, same shape, yes. So that's only the true, the information or clue that it's not true, that all cubes are blue. No, they're not blue. All right, let's go for number 6. Which is true of all rectangular prisms? All rectangular prisms are red, are big, have a long flat surface at the top, have 6 flat surfaces. So let's see. Which is true of all rectangular prisms? All rectangular prisms are red? No. Are big? Not all of them. Have a long flat surface at the top? Nope, this is different. Have 6 flat surfaces? Yes, all rectangular prism have 6 flat surfaces. So that would be the true information. I'm gonna circle D. All right, number 7. Draw a square. Write 2 things that are true about all squares. So we're gonna draw a square. I'm gonna draw a square. Okay, write 2 things that are true about all squares. So all squares, so I'm gonna write all squares have 4 flat surfaces. Very good. And all squares have, very good, 4 vertices. All squares have 4 vertices or 4 corners. 4 vertices. Or corners. All right. Okay, today's lesson was really fun. We tried to classify and sort again the shapes we have by true information or true details or true features. And for example, when we looked at the first picture, we looked at the circles and we said all circles are white. No. All circles have 0 vertices. Yes. All circles have 0 straight sides. Yes. All are small. No. When we did for the second picture, we have talked about the cylinder, so we circled the cylinders we have. We have the peas can, we have the glue sticks, and we have the soup can or can of soup. So what we have, we said all the cylinders have 2 flat surfaces. Yes. You have to find these features or this information on all your shapes. So on all the cylinders, you cannot say, oh, it's in one, but it's not in other 2, and you consider this new right information. No, it has to be for all the drawing. Are small, all cylinders are small. No. All the cylinders have 1 flat surface at the top. No, because as we see the glue sticks, it's not standing, it's flat. And then all the cylinders have 0 vertices. Yes. So this was our lesson, that you look for the information that it's true about all the shapes that they have. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.